I've been working as an ethical hacker, and after completing the Cybersecurity Master Program with GoLogica, I received a 180% hike in my salary. The course provided advanced skills and expertise that took my career to the next level. A big thanks to GoLogica for this incredible opportunity to grow and succeed in the cybersecurity field.
After working as a Linux administrator, I decided to take the Cybersecurity Master Program, and it paid off big time. The skills I gained not only expanded my expertise, but also led to an incredible 150% salary hike. I'm grateful to GoLogica for this amazing course that helped me advance my career.
Excited to share that I completed the Cybersecurity Master Program, and it's been a game changer. The in-depth training and real-world skills I gained have boosted my career, and I'm now working in a field I'm passionate about. A huge thanks to GoLogica for providing such a complete course that opened up new opportunities.
In a world where digital threats grow daily, the need for skilled cybersecurity professionals has never been more urgent. The Cybersecurity Master Program is designed to prepare you for these high-stakes challenges. Throughout this program, you will dive deep into the most critical aspects of cybersecurity, mastering network security, build secure networks and defend against cyber attacks, ethical hacking, learn how hackers think and protect systems from vulnerabilities, data protection, secure sensitive information with advanced encryption methods, threat management, detect, respond to, and mitigate cyber threats in real time, cloud security, safeguard cloud infrastructure and ensure data privacy. With the GoLogica Cybersecurity Master Program, you won't just be reading theory, you'll be working on practical projects designed by industry experts. These real-world simulations will teach you how to respond to security breaches, ensuring you are job-ready from day one. Our expert instructors bring 10 years of cybersecurity experience, ensuring you learn the most current strategies and practices. Completing this program not only equips you with the knowledge, but also the industry-recognized certifications needed to launch or advance your career. The global demand for cybersecurity experts is skyrocketing, with over 3.5 million unfilled jobs worldwide. Join thousands of professionals who've taken their cybersecurity skills to the next level and secured high-paying roles in top organizations. Ready to become the protector of the digital world? Enroll in the GoLogica Cybersecurity Master Program today and secure your future in one of the most in-demand fields of the century.